Hello, I'm the awful chef. I gotta eat, so we better make something. Well, tonight it's kind of disappointing. We're just having the leftover Costco chicken, a salad, and some bread. So what is there to show? We're gonna make Caesar salad dressing. So first, let me introduce you to my friend, the Egg Separator. Yes, costs all the $2. It works. Use it. This recipe calls for an egg yolk. Now, for those of you who don't believe I have any street cred, there is something you can watch. It's a little bit of magic. The egg trick. You see, we've all seen chefs go crack, crack, and then push the egg back and forth until they're left with nothing but the yolk. That can be done, but you'd better have a spare egg for that, because I poured a lot of eggs down the sink. There is a way to do it. This is a medium weight chef's knife and an egg. If you squeeze it and kind of sense it, you realize the shell's kind of firm. Most eggs are not firm anymore, so this doesn't really, well, that's the reason this chef's trick doesn't always work. This does. So up and down. That's right, we are attempting on camera, which of course never works. Oh, I have a wonderful hard eggshell today. There we go. There we go. There we go. As you can see, I am cracking the eggshell in a circle. And we have gone almost completely around, and in fact we are starting to leak a little. Now comes the fun part. Make sure you have a complete, voila! There we go. One, watch me shake, perfect egg yolk. You'll notice the egg shell is cracked down the middle. Okay, so magic trick. My wife still believes that is physically impossible. So, one perfect egg yolk. Again, just use an egg separator. It works. But if you have to be absolutely fancy, you can be. So, Caesar salad, egg yolk. Classic recipe. Dash of Worcestershire. Not too much or you'll end up with a funny taste in salad dressing. French style mustard. Please subscribe, or pardon me, sponsor my channel. And I'm using a fair amount of mustard. All of this can be adjusted later as desired. Oh. So, some gently sliced garlic. You'll note no oil or salt in this case. Technically, you are supposed to rub the salad bowl with the garlic. But most people don't have a classic wooden salad bowl, so it's kind of pointless to say that. Okay. Egg yolk, garlic, Worcestershire, French style mustard, olive oil. Glug, glug, glug. Yes, I'm making a bit. Okay. So, why am I stopping at these ingredients instead of finishing the process? Okay. Stir, 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 stir. The mustard and egg yolk are creating a wonderful emulsion, which is sticking to my spoon, of course. All of this can be adjusted later, should you want more mustard, because some of yours stuck to the spoon. Okay. So, what's next? This is where it starts to get a little interesting. Here we have the juice of half a lemon. Yeah, I bet that's exciting. This is fresh squeezed. I'm not using the bottled lemon. And I'm not using all of it at once, just that much. Oh, there goes the seed. Well, oh, I can just fish that out. What luck. Got it. Okay. So, a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I'm sorry, there is no substitute. The bottled stuff is pretty good. But it's not good enough for this. There's no faking this stuff. There are too few ingredients. Okay, now we get to the magic. I hate anchovies. I cannot stand the mere thought of anchovies. Oh, that is in need of more oil. But a very good beginning. Secret of a good salad dressing is to let it rest. So, what am I going to do in place of anchovies? If I can get this open. I will add distilled anchovies. Fish sauce. Just a little. Yes, fish sauce is distilled anchovies. And salt. So if you want anchovy oomph without anchovy taste, fish sauce. Okay. Ooh, that is rich. Oh, and wonderful. So that, everybody, is classic Caesar salad dressing made with a variation on anchovies, because I just can't stand the darn things. Adjust to your taste. You may need more lemon juice. You may need salt and pepper. This is your kitchen, not mine. You decide how food tastes for you. That's it. I'm the Awful Chef. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.